creating the shorts from the long videos, and then they are posting on their channels, and then they gaining the millions of subscriber, millions of views, and then thousands of dollars they can earn easily with posting the YouTube shorts. So you also can do it. For example, you can see here the channels. For example, this channel is creating the shorts from the other people channel, and then you can see here also the creating the shorts from the other people channel, and then here also creating the shorts. You can see here they are gaining the millions of the views, but this content is actually nothing their content, but they can take the other people content and then create the shorts with the captions, and then posting on the YouTube shorts, so they can earn millions of the dollars easily, and then without showing their face, without showing anything. So I'm going to show you how you can create the short videos from the long videos from anywhere. Even you have the video, or even you can directly URL or sharing link from the YouTube and then paste there, so you can easily create the shorts from the long videos. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. Okay friends, so now as you can see on the screen, I open the YouTube, and then you can see here the motivational videos on my screen. You can choose any video. For example, I choose this Sonu Sharma video, then copy his popular video link. For example, I copy his popular video link, play,
Make the
then
link.
share,
Bring what you do online with
then
GoDaddy.
copy link.
Register the perfect domain for
That's
your
it.
business. Create
Our
your
work
website
is
or
done.
sell online. Help protect your site and customers with our security plans. Learn more.
That's it. We copy already the video link. Now we need to go. The website name is vidyo.ai. Vidyo.ai is, you can create the short video from a long video. So here you can see on the screen, just click the start for the free. We click the start for a free. I already sign up here, so you have to sign up here before you creating the videos. As you can see here, I already created many videos from the long videos to short video, but I make this tutorial so you can learn also easy. You can create also your own videos, long videos, to create short videos. So I just don't want to waste your time, so we continue. I click the plus upload file. Then here you can find out the two options. You can give here the YouTube video link, or you can choose the video in your file manager. So I am giving here the link. Just now I copy from the YouTube, and then if you don't want to copy from the YouTube, you can choose your file here and then start import. So I copy the link and then paste here ready. Now click start to import. Then here is asking your handles. If you want to provide your handles, so it will display on the screen on your shorts. If you want to display or not, it's up to you. So I am already give here the my YouTube handle, Instagram handle, TikTok handle, and then you can give also the Twitter handle, LinkedIn, and then Facebook. All you can give here easily. I just don't want to give anything, so I click the done. Now I just go to the dashboard. So here is our processing start. Okay friends, so our video is ready. Now you can see here the review clips. We click the review clips. So how many clips this generated from the long video. As you can see here, there are 3 clips. First clip is 43 seconds, the second clip is 32 seconds. So like this you can see here the durations that generated from the our video. You can see here the landscape, portrait, reel, and then the square. So our video is ready. If we play, you can
मुंह
see
बढ़ाया, एक योजन का मुंह किया, एक योजन में 8
you can see here the subtitle. But if you want to change and edit your clip, you have the multiple templates. If I click the edit and download the video, you can see here the suggestions, all the templates that you want to use in your video. For example, I choose this one. You can see the look, how it looks like that, better than before. You can choose this one, you can choose this one. There are many templates that you can choose for your video. For example, this one is my channel name, and then also you can edit these things. If you don't want your channel name, you want to add any words here, easily you can add here. You can easily adjust here the words. So that is the easiest method that you can create the shorts video from any long video, and then you can download in the 720p. If you want to download the high quality, you have to subscription for this website, but normally you have the free 75 minutes on this website that you can generate the 75 minutes video. So you can easily generate the 1 week videos. If you creating the short videos, you can generate many videos on this platform. So here are the our final results.
मुंह बढ़ाया, एक योजन का मुंह किया, एक योजन में 8 मील होता है सर, एक योजन का मुंह सुरसा ने किया.
Thank you for watching.